guys, this is Tanya from 4Girls Jewelry. I love to make a lot of design with a rosary linking, but sometimes it can be like old-fashioned. So for not make the jewelry old-fashioned way, I like to make a spacers between the chain linking, like a rosary linking. And today I will show you a little cone. I don't have a cone maker, but I will use my round nose pliers. For those who don't have it, for those who have it, you can use your cone maker. So what I will use, you need about 15 inches of your wire. And you started not really at the end of the pliers. Just leave a little room here, because then we will go back to that. And you start twisting. After I do about 4 rounds, I usually stop and just press. And then you can go. It's very simple design, but can be used in variety of your projects. I will show you what kind of earrings I made, and some long necklaces also. You can end it up with this. So you go all the way to the top. Depends how long your cone you want to have. See, I make them all the way to the top. You can squish, and then with this part, you're going down. That's why we need a little room here, because when you go all the way down, you just make additional 1 circle. That's it, it's done. You can cut. You can use your file the end. So from these cones, I want to show you how I use them. So this one, I make a little herringbone stitch and go through, put the little bead, and just finish it. I have another earrings that I made for the same necklace with the same beads. Here I spaced it. I will show you the necklace first. So I spaced them with 3 here, 2, and then on the bottom 1. And same design, same bead with the earrings. Also, you can put, instead of beads, you can put bunch of wires. I thought it's so cool, and I probably will make earrings like that. here is one more design. With the bead, and I added a little bit on one side, just only one. So quickly I will just show earrings. So use your bead. I make a herringbone stitch with 28 gauge wire. So I do like 1, 2, go around. Cut your wire. I like to use 4 rounds. So this one, number 4. Secure. Cut your wire. Squish the end. I'm doing too fast, you can take your time. And you can do one way. You can put your cone on top, use a little bead, any bead or something, like I use very tiny one, and then the wrap loop, and you finish it, right? The other way, it can be just finish bead here with the loop, and you can later make a cone like I did in this design. You can just use some kind of bead inside, stop it, and make it connection like that. I hope you guys will create something with that, because it's very simple, but I feel like it can make your design more interesting. So today's video very simple. Hope you guys like it. See you next Tuesday.